This is code.org. I'm currently working on their dance party course. I'm on level 9. It looks like they're starting off with some code in the workspace, right? This is a workspace, we can drag blocks into it. Let's see what our code does. Ooh, a shark! Dance, dance. Ooh, are they going to change dances after 2 measure? Yep. Alright, cool. And we can always change up the songs if we want. Let's see what we're supposed to do now. Now we know how to change a dancer's properties. If that doesn't make sense, you need to go back and do 8. If you're stuck on 8, watch my tutorial, right? A dancer's property is something like the dancer's size or the dancer's tint. That is a property. We can also make the same property automatically respond to the music using this block. Right unicorn begins size following bass. Interesting. This program uses the music, bass, volume, the low sounds, to control one of the dancer's heights. Can you make the other dancer respond to the music too? So this tells the code, right unicorn, begin size. So then the code is going to say, and it looks like left shark, begin height following bass. So the code then is going to look for the height of the, is then going to begin changing the height of the left shark. And shark is named left shark. Let's go ahead and test that. Here's a shark. There we go. So once that base hits, he grows, or maybe she grows. And then once it calms down, our shark shrinks back down. So it looks like we're going to grab this. I'm going to put it where they do, right under it. Because we do need to first, to change a property, you need to make sure first you make it. So we made the shark and called it left shark. Then we can change the height of our shark. If I put change height above the shark, the computer would say, what shark? You haven't made a left shark. This is where we make that left shark. Now here's where we make our unicorn. We're going to call it right unicorn apparently. So down here is underneath it, so that's fine. Right unicorn, size, base. Did it want size or height? Base. To control the dancer's height. So we should switch from size to height. Alright, let's test this out. Oh, great, and now they've both increased in height. And as the base calms down, I think they'll shrink back down in height. Oh, great, we did it. So this is the code that worked for me. Awesome. Onward.